So I just found on TikTok, just random scrolling since I haven't been using TikTok for a while now. And what I saw was Kapalit ng Katahimikan by Cara David. And I don't want to finish it because it makes me emotional, especially given I have 2 kids and both are girls. If that's going to happen to me, if that person that grapes my kids, if you're not going to live in prison, then I will. That's all I could say. Besh, I did not raise my kids just to be taken advantage of. Gosh, it's so hard. It's so painful to watch. So yeah. It's really hard being a mom, but also it's really hard. It's hard being a mom, but it's harder when you have daughters. Yeah. I am not saying that it's easier when you have a son, because I can't say that on my end because again I don't have a son. But yeah, it's hard. Like kung mahimo 24/7 ni mo bantayan just to make sure that they're okay. So that's why I really get my husband every time na he would say na no, I'll just fetch the kids. I'll just get the kids. I'm more of ano man good. Mas open ko to like sige, let them go laag, let them go here, go there na. My husband is more of the protective one. So yeah, samot na ron. It's hard. It is really freaking hard. So yeah, parents out there, laban lang. The world is a battlefield, good. Bawal maging mahina.